Leg weakness can steal your mobility. Seniors, eat these 5 foods. Struggling with legs that feel less than robust or bones that ache with a persistent discomfort is a common concern, especially as we get older. The desire to move through life with genuine strength and unwavering confidence, free from the constant worry of a misstep leading to a fracture or a fall, is a deeply felt aspiration for many. The good news is that the path to achieving this enhanced mobility and fortifying your skeletal structure is often paved with the very foods you choose to place on your plate each day. Within this discussion, we will uncover 5 potent food items that possess the natural ability to reinforce your bones and ensure your legs remain strong and capable, particularly as the milestone of 50 and beyond is reached. It's a well-established fact of life that with the passage of time, our bones begin to diminish in density, and our muscles, the very foundation of our movement, start to weaken. This gradual decline can transform everyday activities, such as ascending a flight of stairs, taking a leisurely walk, or even simply standing for extended durations, into formidable challenges. What might once have been a minor stumble can now escalate into an injury that demands months of diligent recovery. However, it is crucial to recognize that this scenario is not an immutable destiny. Your dietary choices hold significant power to alter this trajectory. The decisions you make regarding your nutrition today can profoundly influence the level of strength and mobility you retain in the years that lie ahead. By consciously integrating the correct food sources into your daily eating habits, you can actively support the health of your bones, significantly improve the strength of your muscles, and maintain a remarkable degree of mobility that will serve you well for many years to come. It is genuinely never too late to assume a proactive stance in managing your personal health and well-being. And perhaps the most encouraging aspect of this journey is that the foods we will be highlighting are readily accessible and incredibly simple to incorporate into your existing culinary repertoire. Continue to engage with this information until the very conclusion, because the food that earns the esteemed position of number 1 on this list is nothing short of a revolutionary agent when it comes to boosting leg strength and ensuring bone health for the long haul. Commencing our exploration at number 5, we encounter almonds, the bone-protecting supernut. These nuts, though diminutive in size, deliver an astonishingly powerful impact on the health of your bones. Packed with a dense concentration of nutrients, almonds are particularly rich in magnesium, calcium, and vitamin E, all of which play absolutely critical roles in the diligent maintenance of strong bones and the effective prevention of fractures. Magnesium, in particular, holds immense importance because it actively assists in the regulation of calcium levels within the bones, thereby ensuring that they retain their density and robust strength as you age. In the absence of sufficient magnesium, the body's ability to absorb calcium is significantly impaired, a situation that, over time, inevitably leads to the weakening of bone structure. Beyond their impressive mineral composition, almonds also boast a generous supply of healthy monounsaturated fats. These beneficial fats contribute to joint health by actively reducing inflammation. Many seniors grapple with the discomfort of joint pain and stiffness, often stemming from conditions such as arthritis or the cumulative wear and tear that accompanies aging. The incorporation of almonds into your daily diet can offer a welcome measure of relief from this discomfort and contribute to an overall improvement in flexibility. Furthermore, almonds stand out as an exceptional source of protein, a macronutrient that is absolutely essential for the preservation of muscle mass. Muscle loss is a significant concern that often accompanies the aging process, and the presence of stronger muscles translates directly into enhanced support for your bones and joints. To maximize the benefits derived from consuming almonds, a simple yet effective practice is to soak them overnight before eating. This soaking process not only enhances the body's ability to absorb the nutrients contained within the almonds, but also makes them considerably easier to digest. You can effortlessly incorporate them into your morning oatmeal, sprinkle them as a delightful topping over your salads, or even blend them into your smoothies for a delicious and profoundly nutritious boost. Just a modest handful of almonds each day has the potential to create a substantial and positive difference in your bone and muscle health, thereby empowering you to remain active and independent for many years to come. Moving on to food number 4, we highlight sardines, the calcium and omega-3 powerhouse. If your objective is to naturally fortify your bones and joints, then sardines ought to become a cornerstone of your dietary regimen. These small, unassuming fish are remarkably rich in both calcium and vitamin D, two essential nutrients that work in perfect synergy to maintain bone strength and to make them highly resistant to fractures. Unlike many dairy products, sardines present a more natural and bioavailable source of calcium, primarily because they are consumed with their tiny edible bones. These bones are veritable treasure troves of this crucial mineral. Many seniors experience deficiencies in calcium, a condition that can unfortunately pave the way for osteoporosis and a consequently increased risk of fractures. This makes sardines an absolutely fantastic option for effectively replenishing depleted calcium levels. One of the most significant advantages offered by sardines lies in their exceptionally high content of omega-3 fatty acids. These powerful compounds play a pivotal role in reducing inflammation throughout the body and are instrumental in maintaining the flexibility of your joints. If you have been experiencing persistent stiffness in your knees or discomfort in your hips, then consuming sardines on a regular basis may offer considerable relief from this discomfort and lead to a noticeable improvement in your overall mobility. The benefits of omega-3s extend beyond joint health. They are also profoundly beneficial for cardiovascular health, actively reducing the risk of heart disease, a condition that tends to become more prevalent with age. For those who might not be particularly fond of eating sardines directly from the can, there exist a multitude of delicious and creative ways to enjoy their nutritional bounty. You can mash them onto whole grain toast, perhaps with a refreshing squeeze of lemon juice, toss them into a vibrant, fresh salad, or even mix them into pasta dishes for a meal that is both flavorful and densely packed with essential nutrients. If you find the taste of sardines to be a little too intense, a simple yet effective tip is to rinse them under water before eating. This practice can help to mellow out their distinctive flavor. Regardless of the specific method you choose for consumption, sardines stand out as one of the absolute best foods you can incorporate into your diet to effectively preserve bone density and to ensure that your legs remain strong, stable, and capable for all your daily activities. At number 3, we celebrate leafy greens, nature's bone builder. These vibrant, verdant powerhouses are frequently lauded as nature's own multivitamin, owing to their abundant inclusion of essential nutrients that vigorously support overall health. When the focus shifts to bolstering bone and muscle strength, certain greens rise to prominence. Kale, spinach, collard greens, and Swiss chard emerge as some of the most potent foods you can consciously integrate into your diet. These greens are exceptionally rich in calcium, vitamin K, and antioxidants, all of which contribute significantly to the maintenance of strong, resilient bones. Vitamin K, in particular, holds a special significance because it plays a vital role in activating osteocalcin, a protein that is responsible for effectively binding calcium to the bone matrix. It is a common misconception that solely focusing on calcium intake is sufficient. Many fail to realize that without an adequate supply of vitamin K, the calcium consumed may not be efficiently utilized by the body. Extensive research has demonstrated a clear correlation. Individuals who exhibit low levels of vitamin K are at a significantly higher risk of experiencing fractures and developing osteoporosis. Another truly incredible benefit derived from consuming leafy greens is their high nitrate content. These nitrates have been scientifically shown to improve muscle efficiency and overall function. Emerging research indicates that nitrates can enhance blood flow to the muscles, thereby boosting their inherent strength and endurance capabilities. This translates into a tangible benefit for everyday movements. Activities such as walking, climbing stairs, and the simple act of rising from a chair can become considerably easier and less strenuous. Integrating leafy greens into your daily diet is remarkably straightforward. You can effortlessly blend them into smoothies, pairing them with fruits like bananas and berries for a palatable combination. They can be added to soups and stews, lending their nutritional value and a subtle depth of flavor. Alternatively, you can sauté them with a touch of garlic and olive oil to create a delicious and healthy side dish. No matter the chosen preparation method, consuming just 1 cup of leafy greens per day has the potential to significantly improve your bone and muscle health, helping to keep you strong, agile, and capable well into your golden years. Ascending to the second position, we find Greek yogurt, the muscle and bone strengthener. Greek yogurt emerges as an outstanding source of protein, calcium, and beneficial probiotics, establishing itself as one of the premier foods for diligently maintaining strong bones and robust muscles, especially as we advance in age. It is a natural biological process that as our bodies mature, we begin to experience a loss of muscle mass, a phenomenon that can unfortunately lead to reduced strength and compromised mobility. Protein is the fundamental building block for muscle maintenance, and Greek yogurt provides a high-quality protein source that is instrumental in preventing this unwelcome muscle loss and actively supporting the body's recovery processes after physical activity. Beyond its impressive protein content, Greek yogurt is also exceptionally rich in calcium, a mineral that is absolutely vital for preserving bone density and effectively preventing fractures. The synergistic combination of both calcium and protein renders Greek yogurt a truly fantastic food for seniors who are actively seeking to preserve their strength and maintain a good level of mobility. Furthermore, Greek yogurt harbors beneficial probiotics, which are crucial for supporting a healthy gut microbiome and improving the body's overall nutrient absorption. This ensures that your body is able to extract and utilize the maximum nutritional benefit from all the foods you consume. There are a myriad of delightful ways to enjoy Greek yogurt. You can simply mix it with a drizzle of honey and a handful of fresh berries for a nutritious and satisfying breakfast. It serves as an excellent base for vibrant and healthy smoothies, or it can be used as a healthier substitute for sour cream in a variety of recipes, offering a creamy texture with added nutritional advantages. It represents a simple, accessible, and delicious method to ensure your bones remain strong and your muscles stay active and engaged. Finally, claiming the prestigious #1 spot, we have bone broth, the ultimate joint and bone healer. Bone broth has historically been revered and utilized for centuries as a natural and effective remedy for enhancing bone and joint health, and there is compelling scientific and anecdotal evidence to support this long-standing tradition. Its remarkable efficacy stems from its rich composition, which includes generous amounts of collagen, calcium, magnesium, and essential amino acids. All of these components work in concert to maintain strong bones, promote flexible joints, and support the resilience of muscles. Collagen, in particular, offers profound benefits. It plays a critical role in rebuilding cartilage, which can significantly reduce joint pain and stiffness, thereby making it considerably easier for individuals to remain active and mobile. Bone broth also functions as a natural lubricant for the joints, helping to reduce discomfort and improve overall flexibility. Many seniors unfortunately contend with conditions such as arthritis or joint degeneration, and the consistent, regular consumption of bone broth can play a crucial role in slowing down the progression of these issues, helping individuals to remain pain-free for extended periods. The process of making bone broth at home is relatively straightforward. Simply simmer bones derived from chicken, beef, or fish in water for a minimum of 12 to 24 hours, ideally with the addition of vegetables and herbs. The longer the broth is allowed to cook, the more beneficial nutrients will be extracted from the bones. Consuming just 1 warm cup of bone broth daily can yield remarkable results for your joint health, bone strength, and overall mobility. The aging process does not inherently necessitate a loss of strength. Rather, it encourages a more intelligent and informed approach to nourishing your body. By consciously incorporating these 5 powerhouse foods into your daily dietary framework, you will be taking a significant and proactive step towards cultivating stronger legs, healthier bones, and embracing a more active and vibrant lifestyle. Disclaimer: this informational content is provided for general knowledge and informational purposes only, and it is not intended to serve as a substitute for professional medical advice. Always seek the guidance of a qualified healthcare professional or physician before making any changes to your diet, exercise routine, or treatment plan, especially if you have any pre-existing medical conditions or concerns. The information presented here is based on general nutritional understanding and should not be considered a replacement for expert medical counsel. Individual results may vary from person to person. Among these highly beneficial foods, which ones are already a regular part of your diet, and which one will you commit to incorporating into your meals starting today? I am genuinely eager to hear your thoughts and experiences. Please share them in the comments section below. If you found this video to be informative and helpful, please do not hesitate to express your appreciation by liking it, sharing it with others who might benefit, and subscribing to our channel for more valuable content. Let us collectively strive towards building a future where every single step we take is characterized by strength, stability, and an abundance of life. Stay healthy, stay strong, and I look forward to connecting with you in our next video.